Hi guys, at ArcoLinux we want you to learn, right? And we give you a lot of knowledge about ArcoLinux, and there are so many distros out there based on ArcoLinux. So I just got the message from Archcraft, so join them on Discord. More coming soon, release, etc, XFCE, and there's the new guy. Everyone, there is an ArcoLinux LXDE. Maybe that's your thing, maybe not, right? But I want to try it out. So it's a new way of venturing into an ArcoLinux system. I think maybe I should go here and maybe find me the areas. Find myself an ISO, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to install Archcraft LXDE. New. Always fun to see something new. Released this 2 hours ago, right? So voila. I'm going to stop Discord so there are no messages coming inside the video. But join them, right? Archcraft has a Discord channel. Why not join them? So, super F7. Is it still downloading? Okay, 1 minute left. So I'm making myself ready. I'm preparing myself for clone Archcraft LXDE, was it? Yep. There's also LXQT. So decisions, what to make. And this is the one we're gonna put in there. 2 minutes left. Okay, let's pause. All right, the ISO is in. VirtualBox is ready. ISO is in the download somewhere. And that's the one. Let's have a look. As an ISO developer, I go inside E and have a look. We're gonna launch the Linux kernel. Quiet splash log level 3. There's a UDEF, the global cursor thing, and 5 gigabytes of cow space. There's nothing about drivers or anything. I'll just see. Well, there's no issue on VirtualBox anyway, but AMD and NVIDIA, there are always these challenges on Linux. And for the guys who want to know what this is Plymouth. Plymouth, like the city, I guess. Voila. Right mouse click, paste, select this, sort files, that's the preferences. You can have a look and change these things. But we want to install. So install Archcraft is here. Execute in terminal. Seems to be an executable script you want to do with it. Execute in terminal is fun for me because I can see what's going on. Maybe. Nope. And then we have the about, that's interesting. So what version are we using? The Calamares version. They're working on the 3.3, so a major jump from 3.261 to 3.3. I will wait till everything is finished and done. Brussels, looking good. Cancel, next. And we go to Belgium. Next, erase disk. Next. And you get these things, right? If you've done one installation of Calamares, you can do another. So we've chosen for EFI. You can toggle the log if you want to see more technical stuff. You can click here as well. That's interesting, right? Scan it, it's gone. What do you mean? It's red. A nice signature, right? It is style, whatever he makes, right? It's stylish, it's nice. Down to the signature. NVIDIA X server settings I see here. Customize look and feel. It's the I'm guessing it's the here it is, about. We don't have to guess the LX appearance, but there are a few out there. Control T, let's see. Look at that, Control T. Control T, yeah. It is a change, in design, right? Control T. Adaptive. Okay, I'm in for black things. Probably gonna take this one. But Control Super T maybe? Yeah, Super T. That's key binding. What was I going to say? Yay. Yeah, we've got yay. Sure, update. Yay. And then, what was I thinking? I always forget what I'm thinking. LX appearance, right? We're talking about LX appearance. There are a few out there. GTK3, OBConf, this one. So if you're stuck, change, right? If you say it does not work for me, change the LX appearance. See if it works. That was fun. Ctrl-Alt-T. Spark. Oh, wallpaper and all. Ctrl-T. Wave. Like this wallpaper, got it too. Ctrl-T. Go for blue-ish. Ctrl-T, Eric. Nordic is something grayish, yep. It's these are color themes, so to speak. Things that we recognize because of other themes. Ctrl-T, forest. And then we go to the beach, and then we stop. Voila. So I switched desktop. So when I scroll over this, I can, we can restart, Eric. We can switch. So we've got these possibilities. E again, have a look. Right. I have one goal on this machine. That's the spices. So what is the spices? And that's the new thing with a new kit on the block is the Xanmod kernel. See if that works as well here, like it did on Manjaro. So this is still on there, and the ISO, the DVD. So, what are we talking about? Spices? Well, if you cook, your taste can be very bland and not interesting to eat at all. And there is something called ArcoLinux Spices Application. There's a GitHub, how to add ArcoLinux Spices. There are so many videos. Let's see how many videos there are just about ArcoLinux and spices. I gather there will be a bunch of them. So, Eric Dubois, stop the intro video, go in here, ArcoLinux Spices, and click. Right. So, as I've told you, I've just made a video about Manjaro and then installed ArcoLinux Spices and the Xanmod kernel. So now I have a Manjaro with Xanmod kernel, but I would like to have Archcraft now. So all about spices. Basically, it's saying you can install ArcoLinux with an ArcoLinux ISO. You can install ArcoLinux with an ArchLinux.org ISO. Add keys, add repos, add packages. And voila, you've got also the configuration of BSPWM or Qtile or Awesome, and you are running a system that's ArcoLinux plus ArcoLinux, the spices. So, okay. Forgot to get, of course, the spices. So go back. And one of the hits was actually good. This one. First page, main website. Who are we? ArcoLinux information, info. And then you go down to the lists. Well, this is already the page, right? But on the main page, on the home page, you'll see the link. And then you have a package. What you do with packages, you install them. Ooh, I don't have a terminal here. So right mouse click. Doesn't seem to be a terminal, but No problem. So, present working directory, I am there. I'm gonna go inside the downloads. ls, I'm there. Sudo pacman -u install ArcoLinux Spices. That's it. Installed. Now we can launch it here, or we can have a look and find it somewhere in the menu, Eric. Find it somewhere in the, here it is. Right? I'm the kind of guy that says, well, I want to see what's happening to my machine. And you can, right? You just follow. Oh no, it's gonna put it on another desktop. So I want to make it bigger for you guys, but all right. And then we go for this. And you see what's going on. Make it bigger, follow along. The key rings come in and all that. And if everything is done, it says done. Okay. Update now, meaning sudo pacman, pacman, right, -s /yu. Always gonna work. Anything ArcoLinux. Update is not always gonna work because it's an alias. Command not found. So look at the 3 extra lines. Any package can be installed now. Also the ArcoLinux tweak tool. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux tweak tool. There's the dev version. That's for us to try out. And there is the official Git version. That's the one that you have. Now we install all the dependencies and even keys for the Celtics repo, for the Endeavour OS repo. You can install all these packages for all these guys. It's a matter of just launching the ATT. So let's see if that still works on Archcraft. And here is the list, right? All the people, all the ArcoLinux distros where it has been tested at some point in time. And you can install any of our other desktops with the packages that come with it, etc., etc. So that's that. And Xanmod. That's why I'm here. Sudo pacman -s Linux what? I can get all these. Okay, hardened, LTS, Wi-Fi. Ooh, look at that. Last video Manjaro was Xanmod. Let's do the Xanmod Edge this time. And don't forget the headers as well. Xanmod, for example, needed for VirtualBox headers. Let's see. Oh, yeah, Control T is not working, but Super T was. Yeah, Super T was. And here we have to be careful, right? Grub. These days we are very meticulous and very careful about grub. What's the version here? So in Manjaro we saw they kept the old version, and here as well. So still the old version. No issue. No grub install to do for us. It's okay. Okay, that's that. And now we should check it out, right? Sudo reboot. All right. E shows me already VM Linux Xanmod Edge. Escape, enter. Then it should work. If the kernel is there in the boot folder, then it will boot, right? Oh. And then Super T was it? And NeoFetch. Et voila, we've visited Archcraft LXDE. So if you like it, install it. There's desktop 1, 3, 4, 5. 5 desktops to play with, right? And a menu. It's how it all works, how it fits all together. Gparted is there, time shift is there. Alex Music, simple music player, simple screen recorder for me to record, Genie, Meld, Office, Internet, and so on, right? Have fun with Archcraft. Cheers.